Hi. Today we're going to talk about connecting subtraction and addition. Okay. And so the first thing on Monday, we started with negative 10. So I have 10 negatives. And then it said remove 6 negatives. So in order to remove 6 negatives, okay, remove. Then I'm just going to circle them because I already have them, okay, and send them away. And my answer is -4. And now if I start with the same 10 negatives, and this time I add +6, so I'm going to write 6 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My answer is the same, -4. Okay. So these problems are connected together. This is the subtract version, this is the addition version, but they're both the same problem. Okay? So if we look at the pattern, the start number is the same. So if it says -10, then it's still -10. What changed here, we have the subtract sign, now it's addition. So if you change a subtract sign to addition, then the number being subtracted, we need to write the opposite. So if it says -6, the opposite is +6. If for some reason this was +6, then you would write -6. Okay? So subtract to and add, the opposite of the number being subtracted. So let's practice over here. So I have -6. So my start place is the same, -6. Subtract, I'm going to make into an addition sign. And 2 is positive, so now I'm going to make it negative. Okay. So there are kind of 3 steps. First, I'm just going to start in the same place. Subtract is going to be addition, and I'm going to write the opposite. Okay, now that I have the addition problem, I guess maybe I'll take these arrows off. Now that everything's all addition, this is the problem. Okay, we're not going to go back to the subtract. This is the problem. And then we would just go ahead and add. You know, we draw the tiles and add. Yeah, I made a mess out of this. Okay, so it's a lot easier to add, and so usually when we have subtract problems with positive and negative numbers, we make it into addition first and then move on from there. Okay, so let's practice with this one. Again, the start number is -6, so here's my -6. Subtract, I'm going to change that to an addition sign, and the opposite of -2 is +2. So now this is my problem. Okay, this is the addition problem. We're all done with this. So we don't go back to this at all. Okay, we just go ahead and do the addition problem. Okay, so that's the basics of getting a subtract problem into addition. And of course we would never want to go backwards from addition to subtraction because addition is a lot easier. So if it's already addition, we leave it alone and just do the problem. So here would be our steps. If I summarize here, these would be our steps. Okay. First, I'm going to copy the first number, the start place. Then I'm going to change subtract to addition. And then we're going to write the opposite of the number being subtracted. Thank you for watching.